Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. Let us see a term called noisy data or noise in the data. Noisy data or data that is corrupted or distorted or has a low signal to noise ratio. Improper procedure or improperly documented procedure to subtract out the noises in the data can lead to a false sense of accuracy or false conclusion. Data is equal to true signal plus noise. Noisy data or data with a large amount of additional meaningless information is called noise. This includes data corruption, and the term is often used as a synonym for corrupt data. It also includes any data that a user system cannot understand or interpret correctly. Many systems, for example, cannot use unstructured text. Noisy data can adversely affect the results of any data analysis and skew conclusions if not handled properly. Statistical analysis is sometimes used to weed the noise out of noisy data. Sources of noise differences in real world measured data from the true values come about from multiple factors affecting the measurement. Random noise is often a large component of noise in data. Random noise is a signal measured as a signal to noise ratio. Random noise contains almost equal amount of wide range of frequencies and is also called as white noise, as colors of the light combine to make white. Random noise is an unavoidable problem. It affects the data collection and data preparation processes where errors commonly occur. Noise has two main sources: errors introduced by measurement tools and the random errors produced by the processing or by experts when the data is gathered. Improper filtering can add noise if the filtered signal is treated as if it were directly measured signal. As an example, convolution type of digital filters such as moving average can have side effects such as lags or truncation of peaks. Differentiating digital filters amplify random noise in the original data. Outlier data or data that appears not belong to the data set. It is caused by human errors such as transposing numerals, mislabeling, programming bugs, etc. If actual outliers are not removed from the data set, they corrupt the results of to a small or large degree depending upon the circumstances. If valid data is identified as an outlier and it removes, then the corruption ends. Also, there is a fraud. Individual may deliberately skew data to influence the result towards a desired conclusion. Data that looks good with few outliers reflects well on an individual collecting it, and so there may be incentive to remove more data as outliers and make the data more smoother than actually it is. Thanks for watching. Bye.